So good day, guys. Here is a short video on how to enter futures trade on Binance. So first thing first, you have your Binance account you funded. You go to this portion where you're seeing futures here. You tap on it. After tapping on it, it should bring you to an interface like this. Though if you're coming for the first time, they will give you some options to click on, like to verify that you know what futures trade is and you are willing to take the risks involved. So you just say okay, yes, and stuff. Just reach you and follow the prompt message. So the next thing is this portion here where you're seeing ACME/USDT is where you just click to see all the pairs available for Binance futures here. If you tap here, it will bring then you tap on all. It will bring all the list of available pairs you can trade on Binance futures. That's for one. Then to enter a trade, you see this portion indicating market. Let's just click on it. This normally what I use is either we use market or limits. These other ones are for complicated trade higher than what we're doing now, so we'll not be diving into all the explanations for this. So market mean you buying at the current market rate. As you're entering the price, the amount of USDT you want to use to buy the particular token, like the particular coin or pair of choice, you just click on either long or short after entering the stop loss, which is stop loss else SL, or take profit TP. Immediately to purchase and position you into the market. But for limit, let's tap on limit now. For limit, you'll be given a price range. You just enter the price range where you want to be positioned into the market, like where you want to exactly buy into the market when it touches that particular region. Let's say, for example, I want to take a long now. It's actually in at 1.2829. So I can just say, after looking at the chart, if you want to look at the chart from this region, this candle, these two candle symbol, just tap on it to take you to the part where you see the charts, candle charts. Let's say I want to take a short and I look at the highest swing high it has done here. It's touched 1.2971. So I'll just click on open to take me back to the interface where I'll enter my trade, and I'll click on I'll just come here, tap that price range, just enter 2917, right? Yeah. So this cross, mostly if you're a newbie coming in, I'll suggest you go for isolated. There are two different leverage section. For cross means all positions, yeah. Like after entering a trade, any other available balance you have here will be used to assist the trade not to get liquidated. As you are trading, maybe the trade is going against you. The available balance will be helping to keep the balance stable within a region of liquidation, if you understand. Then what you also want to take profit, let's say it's going in your favor, you can just keep scalping, moving some part of your balance from futures to spot wallet. Then for cross, let's just for isolated now. I've talked about cross. Tap on this cross region. This is isolated, yeah. Tap on isolated. Isolated means in futures trade here, it just simply means this amount. Let's say I'm using $1 to enter into this trade, and I purchase and I get positioned. What it means that if the trade is going against me, immediately that $1 gets liquidated from the market. Let's say the trade goes against me, I'll lose only that $1. Meanwhile, for cross isolation, which is the cross margin, you get to lose what more than what you used to enter the trade, because from your available balance, more will be used to boost up your trade against liquidation. So the next thing now is basically let's say you want to long. Opening long means you want to buy. You are projecting that the market will go higher from the position where you're entering. Then open short means you're predicting that the market will go way lower from the price where it is now. So the next thing for you is to look at the leverage now. This where you're seeing 20x. Or a newbie also, except you know what you're doing, the best leverage for you to like scalp any coin, it should be between 5 and 10. The max should be 10. If you're going anything higher than 10 and all, that one you should know what you're doing. See, for this particular pair, it goes up to 17x to multiply your current margin by 17x, which means as your leverage goes higher, so does your profit or loss, in case the trade is going for you or against you. So that's it for leverage. So let's say we want to enter this trade with let me use $1. Yeah. So after looking at it, let me say I want to use a limit where I will enter a particular price range I want the market to position me and yes, buy me into the blocks there. So the next thing to do is let me look at the candle for my possible stop loss and take profit. I'll just use example. Let's say I want to enter at 1.2971. Then I'm looking at the stop loss around this region here. This not stop loss now, the take profit, because I want to short here from there. and the take profit. The stop loss, I will just look at the previous swing high from this region. So the stop loss should be around the 1.3294. So I'll just click on this portion here where you're seeing TP/LS. That's where you enter the figure for the stop loss and the take profit. So for the stop loss now, it's 1 point. Let me look at it again. 1.3305. Let's use that 1.3305. Then for the take profit, because I'm shorting, I'm predicting that the market will go way lower from where it is now. Then take profit, I'm looking at this region here. Let's say 1.2447. These are just examples. 1.2447. Yeah. So the next thing is just to I've entered the amount of USDT I want to purchase with. Then my leverage is 20 under isolated margin. Then the next thing is just for me to short. I click on shorts. Though it's notifying me that you can't buy anything less than $5.1668. But in case of where your margin, like the amount of your margin is up to $5, the amount of USDT you want to enter is more than $5. Let me send $5. Let's see. So it's now $5. So let's say I'm entering with $5 now for the whole of, let's say, 99% of the portfolio here. Let me take it way higher because the market has left that position. Let's say 330. So I'm shorting now. So I'll just click on shorts. Yeah. It will ask me to confirm these details I've entered. So I'll just tap on this portion here that don't display or no need. Just tap on confirm. So I've opened orders. Here is where you see all your orders. Yeah. Click on basics. You see your orders. Immediately the market touches 1.3300 USDT. You just automatically get positioned into the market for a short. Immediately it touches let's look at it again. Immediately it touches, let's click on view. Immediately it touches 1.2447. It will automatically sell and cover the profit for you. So that's how futures trade work. Though for this futures trade, before you go to, as a newbie, before you enter with your balance, I would just advise you start like learning it, start practicing it using this 4-set region where they will give you 4-set USDT for you to practice. You get, which is mock trading. This particular portion here, just tap on it, mock trading, and wait for it to load. Then start to. So this it looks exactly the way the futures does look, the main one. So for you to get to this faucet, you're seeing that I have 11,452 USDT. This is faucet. You can't withdraw. It's just for trading practice. You get. So if you want to get like more USDT or more of a particular token, you see this symbol. It's tap. This tap symbol. Just tap on it. Then you select the symbol you want to add. You can just tap on it. You see this place where you're seeing USDT. You can just select the one you want and just add it up. You'll be credited certain amounts of the token, which you can use to practice. That's why I say, for example, I have around 11,452. Yeah. So I want to use okay. Let me click on USDT. I want to use 25% of the total amount I have to enter this trade, and I'm going with market so that it will just trigger immediately. So I'll go for a short. Yeah. So in this case, for a short, it's not arranged exactly the way the main is. You click on sell. Buy will mean to long, sell will mean to short. So click on sell. Then 25% of my total portfolio. Then I can enter take profit or stop loss by tapping on that particular region. I'm not doing that now, just showing you guys, but you have to do that. Like, look at your chart. It should give you the region where possible take profit and possible stop loss should be for you to minimize your risks. You get. So I tap on sell now, which is short. I confirm. So it has triggered and I'm positioned already. So where people, so the margin is 2000 and the leverage is 20x. So immediately I got position. But this one, majorly don't use high leverage. Use like 10 $5 that you yourself can be able to, of your own portfolio, can be able to trade with. Use it to practice here. Don't go using 2000 something or 11,000 worth of this, because with that you won't be able to master as you should. But when you're using like $5, $10, and you'll be able to manage your risks well here from this practice smoke region, then grow that $5 to, let's say, $20. That would have instilled certain strategies that will help you when trading on the real futures trade. You get. So that's majorly it, guys. If you have any question, just drop on the group, or yeah, just drop on the group or the comment section. I will answer when I get to see it. Have a good day, guys. Bye.